You guys, this is the best time to level up. When everybody slows down in winter, it's your turn to become the best version of yourself and glow up like never before. This is the winter arc, and although I don't live in a country where there is winter, I will be participating because I have all of the tips and tricks and I am going to be sharing them with you today. So let's jump right into it. My name is Noeli and I'm here to give you all of the tips and tricks on how to become the best version of yourself. If you guys like these type of videos where I can help you be that girl, go to my channel and check all of them out where I talk about every topic that is gonna help you become that girl. So here's how to start your winter arc in 6 easy steps that actually work. Tip number 1. Fix your routine. Wake up and go to sleep at the same time every day, please. I know far too many girls that are going to sleep at 2 a.m. and waking up in the middle of the day. That is not doing any good for yourself. It's just making you waste your day because we know that at night you're not doing too much that is productive. So yes, discipline starts with consistency, not motivation. So not because one day you want to be like, oh my gosh guys, I'm gonna go to sleep at 9 p.m. today and I'm gonna wake up at 5 a.m. and do everything right. No, girl, you have to start going to sleep at a time that is right for you. Sleep from 7 to 9 hours so you can feel so rested, recovered, and in your right mind to be the best version of yourself throughout all of these days. Step number 2, you have to move your body. Gym, Pilates, walks. Just stay active 5 to 6 times a week. Movement keeps your mood, energy, and body aligned. I personally love, and when I say love, I mean I love going to the gym and working out. I love lifting weights. It makes me feel so feminine and beautiful nowadays after a year of being in the gym. I've never felt more confident, so I definitely will recommend it to anyone who asks. I have tried Pilates before and let me tell you, they don't lie when they tell you it is the hardest thing ever, but it is going to make you feel so good after you're done with it. You can also go on walks every morning or every evening after you're done with your work or school. And remember that you should walk 10k steps daily, whether this is around your house, around the block, or whenever you have time. I don't care, but do it. This is going to help your metabolism, your mood, and your physical activity a lot. Step number 3, fuel yourself right. Eat real food, whole foods always, things that come from earth. My rule is that if I want to eat something and I could not find the color in nature for the life of me, don't eat it. Also remember to always hit your protein. If you measure in pounds, remember to eat 1 gram of protein per pound you eat. Always look up online how much protein each thing that you're eating has. And if you measure in kilograms, you can eat from 1.6 to 2 times your body weight in kilograms. You can easily calculate this on your phone. Let's do it right now. Let's say my boyfriend weighs 80 kilograms and he wants to maintain his muscle mass right now, so he would have to calculate 80 times 1.6 equals 128 grams of protein daily. Also, always remember to be drinking your water. I know I say this on every video, but it is so important to stay hydrated, especially now that you're going to be active. If you're a person who sits down a lot and doesn't do a lot during the day other than go to school, come back, and just stay around your house, you don't have to drink that much water. But if you are going to be active during this winter arc, which you should be, you have to drink around 3 liters of water a day. Cut back on sugar and fast food. I have a video talking about how I personally did this and my journey on it and how I can help you cut off sugar, which is the last video I've posted. I'm gonna link it right here. And that alone will literally change everything. Also, one more thing about food. Remember that you can literally eat anything that you want, but a reasonable and decent amount of it. Tip number 4, clean your environment. And when I speak on cleaning your environment, I'm not only talking about your room or your house. So yes, it's not only your room, it's not only your physical environment, but also your friendships and your relationships. If the people you're hanging out with are only making you feel bad about yourself, uncomfortable all the time, or like really insecure, you need to cut them off because they're literally going to influence anything and everything that you do, no matter if you want it or not. If you're friends with 4 drinkers, you're going to become the 5th. If you're friends with 4 smokers, you'll become the 5th. If you're friends with 4 really successful people, you will become the 5th. So make sure you choose your people and relationships right. Now, talking about your real space. Remember to keep a clean space because a clean space equals to a clear mind. Romanticize your setup too. If you visualize yourself in a certain way, portray that in your environment. And also romanticize your setup a lot. Dim lights, candles, cozy clothes, playlists playing in the background. You can make your own paintings and hang them. You can also print posters of the people you want to be like and put them on your wall so you remind yourself of it. Quotes, everything that you need. That your environment is really going to shape you. Step number 5, protect your focus. First hour of the day, try to not go on your phone. Read, journal, and plan your goals. Don't let social media control your mood because even when you think it's not going to and that it doesn't, it unconsciously does. Step number 6, and what I think is one of the most important things, remember to track your progress. Take progress pictures every 30 days, if not every week. You can use Notion or a habit tracker and stay consistent for 90 days. Discipline is built in silence. If you're consistently going to the gym during your winter arc and you want to feel motivated and continue going throughout the whole 3 months, looking back at the pictures of when you started and where you are now are going to help you stay motivated for so long because you're looking at where you came from and where you are headed now. Comment down below if you guys want me to go deeper into these topics talking about the winter arc, and if you guys want a part 2 of any of the videos or you have any suggestions of any videos that I could make. I am also coming up with a makeup tutorial soon. I know many of you guys have been asking. I just really haven't had the time to film it. But thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye bye!